The advantage of this emergency control point is that it's a really great focal spot. We've got the main egress pathway of the internal isolated fire stairs for people to leave, so your wardens can come down here and see you if they actually had to evacuate off the floor as they're leaving. Emergency services are obviously going to come through here through the front door. This is where they're going to come to. So it's a great point for you to stay static and again to control the emergency from. The Chief Warden's emergency control point, the fire indicator panel, is awash with information. There's lots of different documents up here on the wall, which can be a little bit confusing, I should say. But if you should ever get here and you're a little bit confused, the main focal point for you will be the fire indicator panel. The fire indicator panel is going to tell us exactly where our issue is, and it's going to be our main communications point, as we've discussed. Over here, we've got the fire detection and emergency warning system zone block plan. This document is a really important document. It helps you to figure out, again, using maps, where this problem's located. You'll notice there's lots of zones there. The building's split into zones, and the fire indicator panel will dive into further detail and will actually give us the individual point within that zone that's been activated, right down to every smoke detector. Every detector has been given an address, and that will come through on the fire indicator panel should it be activated. On the front of the fire panel, we've also got a red manual call point here. This is a good friend of yours as the Chief Warden. If you have an emergency which you believe is developing, this red manual call point will trip the building into fire conditions, and it will activate the passive systems such as the self-closing smoke and fire doors throughout the property, enabling you to start to compartmentalise the property and bottle the issue up.